Hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro. In this video, I want to introduce you guys to the Assist Pad. We've made some good changes. I'm going to show you real quickly what it is. Bloop, bloop, bloop. It's a little tiny pop-up. You can have it pop up wherever you want, and there's a lot more power to it as of a couple updates ago. So I'm going to show you what those are, and let me demonstrate kind of a difference here. So here what you can see, I have some little buttons here. I can do Control, Shift, Alt, Escape, volume up and down and mute. You can put whatever you want here, of course. So I'm going to right click, we're going to choose Layout, Edit, open this up, and go to the Assist Pad. You can see it right here. I have a background button behind it to give it this nice gray 201 F1E color, and then the button spaced. A really quick explanation of this is no matter what this looks like over here, if it's skinny, or if it's square, or if it's long and kind of landscapey, then all of these is always going to equal 100 from left to right, from top to bottom. So if you want 3 buttons to go across, then that's roughly 33, 33, 33. As I move down, there are no gaps. The gaps are defined in the settings right here. The settings, let me show you that real quickly. And I'm actually going to try and get in the habit of right-clicking the pen tool icon. Oops. To open Tablet Pro settings. Okay, so here, settings, layout details, button margin. This is where you define how much width you want in between all of those. By the way, this is also where you define the size and the position of the Assist Pad. You choose Auto here if you want. And this you can go as high as 1000. It is only 500 here in this list, but you can go as high as 1000. All right, so let's go back over here, and to access it, you just go right here. This is right near the bottom, Assist. What I recommend that you do, let's go back over here, Tablet Pro settings. I recommend that you have disable toggle control, Shift Alt, that you have that turned off over here, disable. Now your float and side mode, these gestures right here are the ones that are going to pull in. Okay, so let's go, we're gonna go over here and I'm gonna show you this. Size, we're gonna 700 by 700 and click OK. Now when we click on this, you're gonna see it's a lot bigger. Going to switch back over to, I have Rebel 5 open earlier, and what I want to do is I want to load this one, and now I'm going to move this. I put a little tiny move right here, and now notice I have full control of my trackpad, and I have copy, paste, delete. Oh, I need to add the word delete there. Shift, Control, Alt, and this is really great because there's a couple different things like inside of Rebel. So say we're right here, and we're going to add another couple layers. Now if I'm over here and I'm trying to use the Artist Pad to do Shift and then click over here, it doesn't work. Certain things don't work with a pen and modifiers. They need a trackpad and modifiers. I don't know why that is. However, we can just hit Shift down here, and we now have all of these selected. That's difficult to do. So again, Control, we can select them individually or deselect them individually. Now here's something that I think is really cool. We're going to turn Shift back on. We're going to select all of these things. Now we're going to open up the touch keyboard, but we're going to hit Control first, touch keyboard. I'm going to hit the letter G, and we've just done Control G. That's shown with KeyPress OSD, a great program I use all the time. That just did a hotkey. So this is a really cool way to be able to add in a number of different things. Tap here. If you want to, you can hit the modifier then, and then press here, and you can see that you can do a lot of advanced hotkeys that way also. I love this because when I'm using my, I have a laptop studio, when I'm using it just in tablet mode, there's certain things that are not accessible with the Artist Pad only, like sometimes you need a mouse. And so being able to quickly turn this on and off and have access to this without it cluttering the UI is really cool. Okay, so one more addition here. This little button down here is going to let me hide, and I can move this around, and when I open it, it will have moved the trackpad, the little assist mode. And then, like I said, I have one right here. So let me show you what that looks like. So we're going to hide that, and let's go back over here to Tablet Pro Manager and go to Assist Pad. And we need to actually go to the correct one. So let's go Edit Layout. Okay, you can see it right here. This is the minimize button. Right here, it's kind of hidden, but I have a move grip, and that allows me to drag this around. And a quick note here, like I mentioned before, 100 points across and 100 down. So that means if I have 5 buttons, that's going to be 20 each. If I'm going down, then you can see over here 20, 40, you can guess it, this one is 60, and this one is tiny, so I only have it set as 10. If you want to map custom gestures here, you can do that right here in the float mode, and these will transfer over. What you need to know. Here, I'm going to have this, I'll have this listed. So this one right here, that's this right here. All you do is you just copy and paste this. If you don't want to do this yourself, you can just copy and paste this into over the top of the virtual keys, this section in the INI file. And for this nice, big, beautiful one, it's right here. And you can just copy and paste this. I'll put this in the description of the video. Now, in order to do that, okay, so let's go over here. Let's go ahead and hide this. We're going to right click the pen tool icon, and we're going to go open presets folder. Now I have the Rebel 5 wheel, this one. So I double click it. I have mine opening up in Sublime, but you can open up in Notepad. It's not a problem at all. Then you're just going to remove this and paste in the other one, or just select this and paste in the other one. Make sure that you have just one space, one line of space in between those two. Save it and reload it, and you'll have the new trackpad available. And don't forget to set your size and your position in the settings of Tablet Pro. All right, if you guys like this video, you find this useful, you like the new features we're adding, then I have a request. Please go over here into the pen tool and click this icon right here. It'll open up directly to the rating section of the pen tool. Please give us a 5-star rating. I would just ask for it. Please give us a 5-star rating. If you don't think we deserve a 5-star rating, then please send me an email, a support email at justice@tabletpro.com, and I will listen to whatever complaints you have, and we'll try and make the product better and better. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.